Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can delete a comment on a Google Sheets document on iPhone. So first you just need to open the Google Sheet application on your phone, and I just need to find the documents that you want to edit right here. Okay, let me find the document first. Okay, perfect. And how you can know that the cells is in comment sections. So you can see that in the specific cell, it could be a yellow on the corner. So it means that those cells contain some comments. So how to access it? You just need to take a look on this top side. It could be this icon. You just need to tap on it. And then it could be this comments options popping up. And then if you want to delete, you just need to tap into the comment that you want to delete and tap into the three small dot and go click delete and confirm that you want to delete it. Again, tap into the comment, tap three small dot and delete and confirm. And you are done. Now all comments is already deleted from the documents. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.